friends, it is the end of April and I want to share with you my April thrift store finds. I found lots of good stuff this month, but I'm holding out about 5 things because I want to do a video in a week or so on some before and after upcycles. You know, a lot of times you see things that I buy and you don't really see what I end up doing with it. So I did find some things this month that I'm going to do a quick little makeover on. So we'll go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to show you is this real pretty sign I got at our neighborhood yard sale last Saturday for $1. I couldn't, but it's got a $59 price tag. It looks like something you would buy at like the Baptist bookstore or something. Just thought that was so pretty. Here's another little wall art I found, just a big square. If it's got a bird on it, I just love it. And this will go in my craft room or somewhere in the hallway. Just thought the colors were so pretty and everything. I picked up one of these Yankee ceramic candle lampshades, and I just love these. It still has a price tag of $15 on there, which a lot of times you can get them on sale for about $10. I paid 99 cents for that. It'll be so cute in the fall with the sunflowers. I picked this candle up for 99 cents, brand new Yankee candle. It's kind of got an ocean, it's called Mayan Waters or something. It smells kind of ocean like. Just great for 99 cents, a brand new Yankee candle. Picked up this real cute little ceramic cotton bowl for 99 cents. That'll be pretty sitting on something. So actually I got the cotton bowl and I got this white picture. Salvation Army was having a half price sale and I got that white picture for $1. And I'm going to do some shelves in my bathroom, and I'm starting to collect some things up to put on it. I found this real pretty black iron shelf. I'm going to put this in my master bedroom. It has a price of $1.99. I paid $1 for it on the half price day. And down here, somebody had made, like handmade, some little patriotic hot pads. I thought they were so cute. I picked up a couple. I'm going to share these with my daughter because how cute will these be for Memorial Day weekend or 4th of July, something like that. A brand new pack of Christmas bags. You can't go wrong with that. I got 10 bags for 99 cents. Picked up these 2 little brand new little snowman ornaments. I'm going to personalize them for my grandkids, one for each. I usually try to make them an ornament every year. I'll just add this to their little Christmas ornament collection. Now, I see steins all the time at Goodwill, but you very, very seldom, if ever, find a real German stein. And my husband has quite the collection of German beer steins, and we got to the point where he's got so many, we're only look for ones that are truly unique. And we just thought this one was really neat. I surprised him and brought it home. Kind of sphere look, but I just loved it, and I paid $3.99 for it, so $4 for this was a steal. Normally this would be $25 to $30 if you were to buy it at like an antique store or something. So I couldn't believe I found a real German beer stein at Goodwill. Picked up my grandson just some little swimming goggles, brand new in the package for 99 cents. And I picked up another one of these. Last month I found one unfinished and I painted it up. This is just a wooden corbel. It's just a little decorator thing that people sit around on shelves and stuff. So this won't be one of the before and afters that I show you, but all I do is paint it black and then paint it white and kind of sand it and give it a little distressed look. When I get ready to show you my bathroom shelves, this will possibly be on it. And I picked up this little doily. This will probably go on my little bathroom shelf. Just thought this was cute. This was 30 cents because it was out on a half price day. Just thought it was so pretty with the little flowers stitched. And then a few little garden flags, of course. Some fall leaves. I've got one very similar to this with a frog. Welcome to our pad. These are really cute around the pool. And my most favorite, if this camera will focus, but I love, this is probably one of my most favorite small garden flags, is this beautiful church with the fall trees. So there you go, friends. Those are my April goodies. Thank you for spending a little time with me. I appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.